Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about off-roaders of 2026, the Mahindra Thar. A legend in its own right, the Thar has always been the go-to vehicle for adventure seekers, and with the 2026 update, Mahindra takes it to an entirely new level. Right off the bat, the design grabs your attention. The new Thar keeps its iconic boxy shape but refines it with sharper lines and a more muscular stance. The front grille now features a bolder, more aggressive look, and the LED headlamps with integrated DRLs give it a modern flair without losing its rugged charm. The stance is wider, and the alloy wheels now come with beefier all-terrain tires that scream adventure. Mahindra has clearly worked to make the Thar not just an off-roader, but a head-turner on city roads too. Step inside, and you'll notice how far the Thar has come in terms of comfort and features. The cabin feels more premium now, with a new touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The dashboard is cleaner, and the seats are more ergonomic, offering better support for long drives. There's also improved legroom, which was a major point of feedback from previous versions. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or tackling mountain trails, the 2026 Thar keeps you comfortable and connected. Under the hood, Mahindra offers two engine options: a refined 2.0-liter turbo petrol and a 2.2-liter diesel, both BS6 Phase 2 compliant. These engines have been tuned to deliver better fuel efficiency and smoother performance, without compromising on power. The petrol variant churns out an impressive 200 horsepower, while the diesel keeps it strong and steady with 130 horsepower and loads of torque. You get the choice of a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, depending on how involved you want to be in the driving experience. But let's not forget what the Thar is truly built for: off-roading. The 2026 model continues to offer 4x4 capability with low-range gearing, electronic brake locking differential, and improved suspension for better articulation and ride comfort. Whether you're wading through water, climbing rocky terrain, or just enjoying a trail less traveled, the Thar proves it's still the king of adventure. Mahindra has also added new safety features including 6 airbags, electronic stability control, hill hold and descent control, making it not only more capable but also safer for families and first-time off-roaders. For the first time, there's even an optional hardtop convertible model, offering the best of both worlds: a ruggedness and style. The 2026 Mahindra Thar isn't just an update, it's a statement. It respects its legacy while embracing modern needs. Whether you're a weekend explorer or someone who just loves a commanding drive, this machine ticks all the right boxes. That's all for today on Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep rolling.